it's a rainy day. We'll go and play with the flirt pole. Mr. Chaos. Get it. Get it. Oh, did you step on it? Oh no. Get it. Get it. Oh boy. We're a little too close. Back up. It's raining. Is Chaos's tail the greatest flirt pole ever, Miley? Is it better than the actual flirt pole? Miley. Get the flirt pole. Get the flirt pole. Get the flirt pole. Get the flirt pole today. Get the flirt pole. Oh, got it. Miley, what are you trying to do to poor Chaos? He's trying to play with the flirt pole and you're like, no, you play with me. Hey. When it's raining outside, we play indoors.
But now, eczema isn't always going to stop you with Eblis. Eblis is a once-monthly treatment to help those with moderate to severe eczema find skin that's still more clear at 1 year. Don't use if you're allergic to Eblis. Allergic reactions can occur that can be severe. Eye problems can occur. Tell your doctor if you have new or
Are you worried that if you play with this, she's going to come and get you? Huh? You going to play with it, Miley?
skin that's still more clear even at 1 year.
You going to play with it?
It's possible with Eblis.
What's up, Mr. Chaos? Are you nervous because it's raining and storming and doing all sorts of icky weather things? Oopsies. We are going to play Find This Treat. But first, I need Miley to cooperate. And you wait. Yeah, you wait. No, Miley, come on. You wait. Oop. Do. All right, Miss Miley. Go find it. Okay, go find it. Go on, find it. Where is it? Good girl. Go find it. Go find it. Go find it. Find it. Find it. Oh, good girl. There's more in here, you know. Miley, find it. Find it. Find it. Where is it? Where is it? Oh. Play the piano while you're at it. Good girl. Find it. Where's more? I don't know if I can't remember if I put more in here. Go find it. I don't think I put any down there. Find it. Find it. Find it, Miley. Find it. Find it. Oh, you're so close. Look, use your nose. Find it. You're like right there. Find it. Where is it? Find it. There's more in here. Where is it? Find it. Oh, you're so warm. You're hot. You're very, very hot. Oh, you're boiling. Oh. Did you find it? Did you find it? Are you still looking? What? You got one more in here. Or one or two more in here. I don't know if you found the one. Find it. Did we find this one? Oh, yeah, she did find that one. There's one more. There's one more. Find it. Find it. Oh, it's so close, so close. Oh, good job. Can you get it, though? Good girl. Good girl. Nice job. Good girl. Was that fun? So, like, finally it stopped raining enough for these guys to get their afternoon W. And right now, they're eating their lunch. Yeah, you eating your lunch, Mr. Chaos? With cheese on top? Oh, you like the cheese on top. Yeah, he's eating his lunch over here and doing a good job. Miss Miley's over here. She's eating. Did you finish your lunch? Or are you still working on it? Looks like you finished it. You're licking the bowl clean. Are you a member of the Clean Plate Club? Huh? You ready for after lunch snack? Huh? You ready for your after lunch snack? Mr. Chaos, how are you coming? Are you cleaning your plate? Is your plate clean? You eat slower. No, your plate's not clean yet, but I'll still get you guys an after lunch snack. See, is there anything left in the cookie jar right now? No. Different afternoon snack. I'll do a couple of these. Everybody gets a couple. I'm gonna go get Chaos his. Here you go. Here's your after lunch snack. That's a good boy. That should hopefully keep him happy for a while before afternoon time and playtime. So I'll have to figure out what game to play if the rain starts again. So, good job, Chaos. Clean your plate. Well, it's chill time right now. Mr. Chaos is over here chilling in his little mini bed. Miss Miley's up the top of the stairs. They did get some outside playtime and ran off some energy, so hopefully they'll be a little bit mellow, at least for a while. We're sitting here watching Gone to the Snow Dogs, but these guys are nice and mellow now, so that's nice because they've been cooped up quite a bit today. Haven't you, Mr. Bugs? Huh? So, once again outside, it's raining and Mr. Chaos is here. Hi, Mr. Chaos. Yeah, you don't need to get up. I know, you don't like this weather. It makes you nervous. You're gonna go upstairs and hide. Okay. I'll be up in a little bit. He's going upstairs because he doesn't like this weather, so I guess I gotta follow him. She's lying here,
being a sad, pouty panda because we only got one W today. What's the matter, Mr. Cash? You're waiting for me? Okay. Come on. I'll get you settled. Come on. You want to be up here. Okay. And he's going to go lie right in front of the fan. Or do you want on the bed? What do you want to do? You going to lie down on your cooling mat to say goodnight? Okay. So, at this point, well, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the rainy day activities. And please share us with your husky loving friends. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Thank you for subscribing if you already have. Remember to enjoy each and every day with those you love. And where is he going? He just wanted to be in here and now he's leaving again. Remember to enjoy each day with those you love because life is short. And until next time, bye.